Very good for him as we are underway tonight here from El Paso Locomotive FC in their Yuma coming out in his baseball kit.
The captain Yuma.
El Capitan. Locomotive 1-0 winners in San Antonio. Good ball movement. Quickly up top. That's dumped in, and an immediate chance for Justin Dhillon. Locomotive looking dangerous on the counterattack. Well won in the middle by Akinyode. Dhillon. One back. Great job by Rose. Moshobane. Calvillo to Moshobane. Moshobane cross. Dhillon the rebound, and it bounces right into the path of awaiting Eric Calvillo. Go crazy. Locomotive leads 1-0 in the 13th minute.
On the kicking for the
Fede Barrera lofts that in, knotted out. Sent back into the mix, and it's just wide. Dangerous. They got the head of, like Pascal had his angles covered, but let's see. Over the head of Hines. We'll get a good angle here.
Ooh.
Brendan Craig on it. Locomotive's defense holding for now, but a corner kick. Third for Rising FC. To the far post, headed and cleared away. Dolenmeyer had to reach all that 6'6" frame up to get that one away. Scearce with a well-directed header that was headed for the far corner.
Yeah, as for defenders, it's like a score.
Indeed.
Yeah. A good moment.
Dunk shot by Noah Dolenmeyer.
This show how you are on the game. Maybe
I'm sure Cabrera has recognized that.
Yes, maybe the players that the danger players from Phoenix, the left side.
Zambrano in swinging ball. That's covered. Pascal. Looks like it got to Boye.
The four guys, the strong guys on the mark.
We see the double wrap there for Nick Hines. So the black brace is off. He's got orange and white tape on both of those wrists. Well won. Moshobane out now to Dhillon from Calvillo. Dhillon to Calvillo. Can't pull the trigger. Nevárez rolls it. It's stopped by Ríos Novo. Great work in the build-up. Moshobane went down in a heap. Phoenix now trying to counter quickly. Formella has touched it a lot more. Jose Hernandez. Lots of former Oakland Roots players on this Phoenix roster, including Hernandez. Panos Armenakas coming from Loudoun United. Scearce has had a pretty solid night. Replaced by Hernandez. Locomotive hanging on to that 1-0 lead right now, but Phoenix see the change in attack, and they're going to get a ball here. Formella out it comes, and it rolls off the post. The rebound fired wide up and over in a goal kick. The shot from Fede Barrera off the right post. And Azócar. Whipped ball in, the shot is in. Formella, offside, flag is up, it won't count. That is exactly what they wanted. Rising FC saying that is the last foul I'm going to get you. And again, we're not quite seeing. Here's Zacarías into your frame. Zambrano defending well. Zacarías fresh legs. Nice job. To Lyons, the cross from the byline. Too far again, but Calvillo's there to receive. Hines. Akinyode. And Moshobane turns to face goal. Moshobane with the left foot has a go. Ríos Novo. Long ball out of the back. It's a great job to keep it here by Gallardo. Fires well up and over. Team captain for both Bravos and Locomotive in his time on the pitch for both sides. Foul on Zacarías will win a free kick for Rising FC. Cuello about ready to come in for Rising FC. It's a good pass here to Armenakas. Tries it from distance and it's in. Panos Armenakas, 30 yards off the byline. And it's tied at 1 apiece. Armenakas and Boye, a little dance for the not too enthralled supporters here. Armenakas, left foot. Pascal looked like he got a fingertip to it. Better angle coming. Maybe the fingertip, but what? Have more opportunities. Good defense by Rising. Zacarías to Dhillon. Big man keeping it moving. Cut back. Dhillon with his left foot. It's a good challenge. Ríos Novo was on it. Had his angles covered. Justin Dhillon, nice cutback.
Yeah, it's nice turn and a nice shot in the left. Uses the left foot.
Bounces nicely. Great stop. Ramon Pascal. Formella with the game on his foot. Vamos Locos the chance here in El Paso. Ball bouncing in the midfield, Formella. Well won, Garay. Lyons, Zacarías. Zacarías drives one. Dhillon, no. Petrovic saved off the line by Ríos Novo. Petrovic was there. It's a shot on goal, but Rocco Ríos Novo.
It's a good
and
cross.
That is it. Beautiful cross, and Locomotive had that opportunity but could not steer it in.